While Hurricane Ian won't hit Louisiana, it may make the insurance situation here even worse. It comes as a ninth insurance company in Louisiana announced this week it is folding.
It is truly a crisis.
Thomas Hemel of Riverlands Insurance Services says his company has already had to find new policies for about 20% of its clients this year.
We've probably moved 7,000 people from Company A to Company B. Sometimes when we moved them to Company B went out as well.
And more companies could go under. Some companies already struggling after paying out $18 billion in Louisiana the last 2 years will soon have to pay out Hurricane Ian claims in Florida.
When they take a direct hit in Florida like they're going to do in the next 48 hours, there's only so much money to pay claims.
So what do you do if you get that dreaded letter saying you're no longer covered? Step one is to call your insurance agent right away.
Depending on their agent's capability, if they're a captive agent such as State Farm or Farm Bureau or one of those, Allstate, or if they're an independent agent, they may have other options inside of their agency that they can market their home from Company A over to Company B.
Step number two, start shopping around. Call other agencies to find out what's on the market for your parish. The further south of I-10, the fewer options you might have. Hemel says Progressive and Allstate have recently stopped writing new policies in some parishes.
We have about 4 options available currently, whereas 6 months ago we might have had 12 or 15 options available. So we've lost 9, some others have stopped writing, so we limited down to 3 or 4.
Step 3, make sure your new policy is updated with any renovations to your home and you have all the coverage you need. But with fewer choices out there, it could cost you thousands more than you used to pay. Now, if no company will take your business, Louisiana Citizens is the insurance of last resort. And some companies are supposed to start writing new policies again in 2023, but with huge storms like Ian pounding the Gulf Coast over the last few years, it may take years until Louisianans have more insurance options re-entering the market.